welcome to Cuisine Art. Today we are going to do Methi Dal, and for that I have taken the yellow moong dal, 1 katori, chopped fenugreek leaves, methi leaves, 1 katori, chopped onions, ginger, garlic, green chilies, little bit of peanuts is totally optional, yogurt, obviously we'll be adding salt, hing powder, and the basic masalas. In that I will add the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and turmeric powder for sure. Because we have green chilies, I don't think I will add any red chili powder, but let's see. We will be doing this in instant pot, so have this setting in saute mode. I'm going to add the basic tadka, so I will be adding oil, mustard seeds. Once they start crackling, we'll add cumin seeds, methi, and washed moong dal. I added the yogurt. I'm going to give it a nice stir. I'm going to add the water. Being it's dal, it needs to cook soft, and I'm going to also add one more veggie on top. Because it's an instant pot, I can do multiple dishes or cooking together. So I will do this dal and boiling off another vegetable. I'm going to put pressure cook mode for 2 minutes. Wow, look at this methi moong dal. Served in a nice steel bucket. Okay, when dal fry, you have to make sure you add ghee tadka in this. So I'm going to have a very simple jeera tadka in ghee with curry leaves. Let's go. So jeera tadka ready. I'm going to add this in. Enjoy this recipe with rice, quinoa, any kind of roti, that means paratha, naan bread, or you can just eat this as a soup. Enjoy!